Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the magic of African street food called rock buns. So here I am showing you the list of ingredients needed to make this delicacy. Please go to the description section to see the ingredient list and the recipe. So here I am measuring out some flour and I'm sifting it with a sieve to make sure unwanted particles are removed. I am adding the milk, the salt, the cinnamon and nutmeg spices, baking powder and some sugar. So here I am mixing it up to make sure all the condiments are well incorporated. And here I'm using my hand to mix the softened butter into the flour. And when the butter is all mixed in, then you start adding the liquid ingredients. So you do the dry ingredients first, and when they're all well incorporated into the flour, then you start putting in your milk and other wet ingredients. So here I mix the water and the condensed milk together, and I'm mixing it up to get to the right consistency, which I will show you in a minute. So you got to keep mixing. It needs some elbow work, so you got to keep going till you get a sticky dough. If you noticed, this rock bun has no egg in it. I made it without egg and it tastes delicious. So while you're mixing your dough, you have to preheat your oil. I'm using vegetable oil here. And when you think it's hot enough, add a little dough to see if it's ready for frying. And when the oil is hot enough for frying, make sure the oil is on medium heat. Then you start frying the dough. You have to fry this dough for about 10 minutes. Using a stick, I prefer a stick to turn the dough balls, or rather the pieces of dough in the oil, to make sure they don't burn, to promote even cooking. So you want the buns to be crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. So you need to use medium heat to fry these dough pieces of rock buns. So I'm using a stick here to flip the buns over to encourage even cooking. So if you use low heat, the buns will soak in oil, and if you use high heat, they are going to burn. Look at this beauty. Look at the delicious rock buns. It's a delicacy all over West Africa. You could use it to eat or snack at any time of the day. It can be served as a main meal or as a snack on the side. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to share, comment and like, and peace.